Hi, my name is Brittany and I'm with Vibrant Rose Digital Solutions. I just wanted to take the time to make you a quick video and go over some tips and tricks to be able to help you boost your online presence. Now, at the end of this video, if you could give me some feedback, it would be greatly appreciated. So the things I want to go over with you today are going to be content, backlinks, and citations. So content is going to be anything that you see on your front page here. Any photos that you use, any words that you use, how those photos are saved and what's behind those photos are all a part of your content. Now, Google does like to see about 1,500 to 2,000 words on a homepage. Within that content, you want to add keywords that you want your business to be found for. So a keyword is anything that someone might type into Google looking for a particular service or product. In your content, you can place these keywords throughout to tell Google exactly what terms you want your website to be found for. So that way you can start to rank for different things that people are searching for, which is something that would be a huge help. Now, I did put your website into a tool that we use. And with this tool, what we're able to do is see the analytics of your website. So the first thing that you're going to see here is going to be the trust and the strength of your website with Google. So these are on a scale of 100. So you definitely have quite a bit of trust, but we also want to be able to bring that strength up and even them out as much as possible. Now, the other thing is you are ranking for 111 keywords, which is bringing an organic 26 traffic to your website. So that's 26 people clicking when they're searching Google. Now, also you have 27 backlinks from 15 referring domains. Now, a backlink is anywhere you're going to find one website linking to another website. These links act like an endorsement of your website from others, which Google then uses to build trust in your business by seeing others vouching for you. Now, not all backlinks are the same. The links are not created equal. Some of the links are more spammy and some are more authoritative. So you really want to go after the links that are more authoritative, and that will bring power to your website. Now, what you want to do here is get into this map pack. This is super imperative to come up in. And what it's going to do is going to give you more traffic. About 30 to 40% of traffic here goes right to your website, or they give you a call from the map pack. And there are always ways about increasing your rankings. So making sure you have a ton of reviews, making sure you have everything filled out on your Google Business profile, that all 750 words in that About Us section are completely filled out. And I would also recommend having keywords in there as well. You want to be very responsive to your reviews and your messages. Make sure you keep posting weekly branded posts and geolocated photos. That's all going to help with your relevance. Now, another important thing is citations. That is going to be your business name, phone number, and things like Yellow Pages, Yelp, Better Business Bureau. Now, by going out and giving out your information to as many people as possible, that's going to increase your relevance and also helps with your website as well. I'm not sure if I said your address. Just be your business name, address, and phone number. So those things, the three things together on citations. So I did pull up a competitor in the area, just looking at their website, seeing like the type of content, the type of photos that they have. And I did input their information here as well. So looking at it, you do have more keywords on yours, but they do have more backlinks. So that's the difference there. But the idea is we can now compare the type of keywords that they're using versus the type of keywords that you are using. And then we can also look at the backlinks where they're getting theirs from and seeing if they're, if they have the better power, what's going on. But the idea is to search your competitors and find the best buyer intent keywords and make sure those are being utilized into your website so that when people do type into Google looking for your services, in that area that you service, that's going to be the best way to be able to boost you up and get you onto that map pack. So I just want to say thank you for letting me take the time today to make this video. I appreciate you taking the time to watch it. And at the end of it, if you could give me some feedback, it would be greatly appreciated. I will attach with my name, my phone number, my email, and everything. So whatever you feel comfortable with, you could text me, message me, or you can text me, call me, email me. Just let me know. If you ever have any questions, thank you. Have a great day.